Hello and welcome to My Finance Teacher on YouTube. Let's have a look again at what's happening to gold. At the moment we have reached a couple of relatively strong resistance levels. One of them is this blue line on the chart, which is the 200-day moving average. It has proved to be a resistance levels at the end of February, where we topped so far in this intermediate cycle and went down for a couple of weeks. Now another resistance level is this downtrend line from the previous intermediate cycle. Both of them are meeting at the levels where we currently are, around 1243, and jointly together they provide a strong resistance level. Another thing to notice on the gold chart is that the 10-day RSI has reached very close to overbought levels. Both of these point to a potential decline in the gold price. Additionally, we have been enjoying this advancing phase of the cycle since December, which is more than 3 months for now. Today, by the way, is 26th of March 2017, and having in mind that these intermediate cycles last for about half a year, we are near the time band for the cycle to top and turn down into the declining phase of the cycle. If that happens, we might see a path like that to the gold over the next several weeks. So due to this resistance levels and due to the nearly overbought level on the RSI, there is not much potential for gold to continue pushing up, after which we will have a couple of weeks of a decline in the gold price. And an interesting point about that decline is we will probably print a lower low compared to a low we saw at the beginning of March. And during the declining phase, it's likely to see lower lows and lower highs. The interesting point, several weeks from now, a couple of months from now, would be when this intermediate cycle will finish and when are we going to get ready for a new rally in the gold price. I think that might probably happen sometime in early summer. And another interesting point, in a few weeks, in a couple of months, about this decline is whether the decline will print a lower low compared to the low we had at the end of December, or higher low. Now let's have a look at what's happening to dollar and see if that confirms our expectations for gold. Dollar has reached, or almost reached, oversold levels on the RSI. This is a 10-day RSI. However, to create the cycle low, the cycle has been going on since May last year, we should probably make a lower low compared to the low we had at the beginning of February. So we should probably continue a little further down, maybe significantly further down, reaching close to 98 on the dollar index. And after that, the dollar should start its new cycle, since this one is in the time band to finish. So after another week or so, I expect the dollar to enter a new cycle and enter the advancing phase of that cycle, pushing up, which confirms with our expectation for gold, meaning that when the dollar is going up, the gold is more likely to be turned down over the next several weeks, probably 2-3 months. This is not investment advice. However, if this has been interesting for you, you might consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your attention.